A new tasker is out. In this one, take full advantage of all the sensors on your device, contact your friends automatically, totally customize the Do Not Disturb mode, and show cool dialogues in your tasks. There's even something for the Tasker pros. Check it out.
Monitor any sensor.
Tasker has a new condition that allows you to react to any sensor on your device, including double tapping your always on display to toggle your flashlight,
toggle flash, toggle flash,
using a double twist motion to start a workout session, or even getting super precise with my accelerometer to keep my screen on and turn on Do Not Disturb when I put my phone on this stand at work. Every device has different sensors, so try it out on yours and have fun finding out what you can use to trigger any task on your phone.
Too fast to the sides. Hey, too fast vertically. Hey, too fast to the back or front.
Contact via app.
Now it's easier than ever to contact your friends and loved ones. You could automatically send messages on a schedule or when you arrive somewhere. Or you could start video calls with any trigger.
List and text dialogs.
You now have a couple new dialogues that you can show in your tasks. You have the list dialog that shows you a list of items and allows you to select one or multiple choices and then do something with that in your task. You also have the text dialog that simply shows a message in a standard Android dialog. You can even add a bunch of buttons to it to do different stuff if you want.
Full Do Not Disturb control.
Totally customize the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone from Tasker. Any setting that's on your phone's Do Not Disturb settings screen, you can now change in Tasker. Create your own crazy schedules for Do Not Disturb, like allowing all alerts during the day, only calls from start contacts while silencing all messages at night, and totally silence the phone while sleeping, for example. Or you could make the notification list not show while you're in a meeting. Or disable notification peaking while you're in a certain app.
Local variable pass-through.
This one's a treat for the Tasker pros. You can send an unlimited number of variables between tasks with the perform task and return actions. For example, you could have a weather task that gets a bunch of weather data and returns it to the calling task. Then, from any task, you can call this weather task to get all the info and use it as needed, like in a text dialog, for example.
Other stuff.
You can now trigger tasks directly from links from websites or other apps. Turn on or off WireGuard VPNs. Clear app data or even disable apps entirely. And more easily add if-else actions in your tasks. Check out the video description for the full changelog. I couldn't possibly go into everything added in this version here. Enjoy the new Tasker!